Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Guide Forever and welcome to my tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your download region in Steam, and that's very important. So we're going to go to Steam and settings, and then we're going to click on downloads, and in the download region this is where you can set your country. So personally I chose Croatia, but you can choose pretty much any country you want. Choose the ones the closest to you and it has the best servers. So usually that's like in Europe, that's Germany, Sweden, Finland, UK, but France servers and Spanish servers are always the weakest ones, so I do not recommend that. One thing to keep in mind is that you don't just download the game, you also have to update it, especially for a game like Counter-Strike that's regularly updated, or Dota 2. Then you have to also set when to update the game, and I always choose between 0 and 6 a.m. so that's basically like during the night, so it doesn't really bother me, but for example, if I play it like during the long hours, so I have like team practice or something like that with my team that I play on Counter-Strike, and then I don't really choose that, and I just stick it off, and then it just updates next like sooner usually. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Also, one thing to keep in mind is to limit the bandwidth, and that is only when your sister or your brother is downloading porn from whatever website and you don't want to use too many resources, so they can have a fast download as well. That's the only use I can see here, and apart from that, that's all you need to know, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.